Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Jenny Jo. Today we're going to review the calendar sync function. This tool allows you to sync events from the Homeschool-Life calendar to your personal calendar app such as Apple, Outlook, or Google. The subscription tool can be found at the top of your group calendar. Note that you must be logged into your member account to see the subscribe button. If you're logged in and you still don't see the button, then your admin has not enabled syncing for your calendar. You can contact your admin and request that they enable syncing. To subscribe to a calendar category, first click on the subscribe button. Then choose either all or one individual category. For this example, we're going to subscribe to the family fun activities. Then click the Generate URL button. Now we need to copy this URL. That could be done either by highlighting it and then copying, or by clicking on this little copy icon here. Now that I have the URL copied to my clipboard, I'm going over to my Google Calendar. So if you're using your cell phone or Apple, Outlook, or some other calendaring app, you can do an internet search for the specific steps for your situation. So here in Google, I'm going to click plus other calendars and then from URL. Now I'm going to paste the URL that we copied and click add calendar. That's it. I'm going to go back to the calendar. And here you can see the children's zoo field trip that was in that family fun category. So if you want to add more than one, but you didn't want to add all, you can come back here to this generate the URL tool and you can pick a different category, such as I could select the Mom's Night Out category, generate the URL, and then copy and paste it back into Google again. So you can do that for all of the calendar categories that you want to subscribe to. This will subscribe you to events 60 days in the past and indefinitely into the future for the calendar categories that you have selected. If you have any further questions about the syncing function, you can contact your admin for help.